I've not had the opportunity to meet a lot of you personally, and I had a couple of people asking me how this entire thing started off. So I want to take this opportunity to very briefly share this journey of past, I would say, around 10, 12 years, how this platform of IGCW and Green Chemistry Foundation came into existence. So it all started with a few technocrats, a few of us all from IIT Bombay, passionate about nature and committed to environment, who kind of came together under a tree plantation activity. And we decided to form an organization to express this commitment for nature. And that's where NURECA got formed, NURECA Green Synth Technologies, where we were looking at how we could look at certain environmental challenges of chemical industry and come out with some solutions and develop it and commercialize and implement it. That's how NURECA started off. But it was very soon, somewhere around 2007 and 2008, while interacting with the chemical industry, it was already like 6-7 years that we were interacting with chemical industry. Very soon we realized that the solution that we are offering at NURECA is very niche solution, solving maybe 0.0001% of the entire chemical industry's problem, because the entire chemical industry's problems are much more huge, much more diverse. And probably it will require even taking birth again and again 4 or 5 times as chemists and chemical engineers. Will never be able to address all the problems. And that's where we were also, during that time, we also realized that the magnitude of these challenges that the chemical industry is facing is growing over a period of time, as the world is looking at India as an outsourcing hub and a lot of manufacturing activities is moving into India. And that's where we thought that there is a need to do something urgently about it in terms of expanding the awareness of green chemistry in the industry, accelerating the pace at which green chemistry can get implemented in the industry. And that led to the formation of Green Chemistry Foundation in 2009. And what started off in 2009 as IGCW, Industrial Green Chemistry Workshop, has today taken the shape of what you see, where it has moved on in the last 6 years to become Industrial Green Chemistry World Convention and Ecosystem. So what we are looking at is creating an ecosystem where all stakeholders of the chemical industry could come and participate. There are multi-dimensional activities that are going on, or multi-dimensional deliberations that are going on at the same time, 9 of them. So there is a symposium going on here. There's an exhibition would be going on in the next part of the ballroom. We've got an exclusive event for the pharma industry. We've got an exclusive one-day event for the Pollution Control Board people. We've got technical seminars. We've got IGCW awards. We've got a half-day event for industry and academia interaction. We've got a half-day event for students and for teachers. So there are these 9 dimensions meant for all the stakeholders of chemical industry that will be happening together over a period of these 3 days. And it's pretty obvious that this kind of a distance that we could cover from 2009 onwards to 2013, creating it like an ecosystem, would not have happened without the support, guidance and partnership of many, many individuals and organizations. So it's like over the last, I would say 6 to 7 years that Green Chemistry Foundation got formed, and these initiatives started off. We've been receiving tremendous amount of partnership and support from all sectors of people, whether it is government bodies, academic and research institutions. Everywhere we've been able to find some set of people and some set of organizations who have huge commitment for environment. They've got huge commitment for sustainability, and they're willing to stretch themselves and offer whatever support and guidance and partnership that they can. Using which we have reached whatever we have reached, and we are able to contribute whatever we are contributing. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the generosity of all those set of individuals. I mean, it's kind of just not possible for us to put together all the 7 years, all the set of people and organizations who have supported directly, indirectly in all kinds of initiatives. But there is this one single big thank you for all the generosity that you have been offering us, all the support that you have been offering. And obviously this support is not for Green Chemistry Foundation. Its support is basically for green chemistry as a domain, for sustainability as a domain. And we happen to have this opportunity to be associated to that field, because of which we get that generosity of yours. So I want to take this opportunity to really thank all the speakers who have traveled long distance. And it's not only here that they come. Most of them were there in Switzerland last week for EcoChem. Some of them are here, some of them are going back again to some other country for some other set of conference. So they are actually traveling across the world. They are taking out time, and they are willing to share their knowledge and expertise with audience across the globe, so that people who are interested in this field get knowledge of that particular field and are able to take back and implement in their own organization. So really thank all the speakers who have come all the way, and for contributing their knowledge and for being open and willing to interact with all the participants and provide whatever you provide. Thank you also for the exhibitors. One, for coming out with inventions and innovations that help address environmental challenges. Second, for actually going out in the market, because that's not easy, we know from some of our experience. And really standing there till your inventions and innovations actually get implemented and make some real difference out there in the environment. So thank you all the exhibitors for all the hard work that you do behind to get your technologies and innovations to come to a level where it can actually start making difference to the quality of air, water and soil. I also want to take an opportunity to thank all the partners that you see here. Partners from industry who have been, and from government bodies who have contributed resources, without which it would not have been possible to organize an event of this magnitude. It does require substantial amount of resources. So really thank you for that. There are media partners across the globe that we have in UK, Europe, US, who have been promoting this particular cause across the globe. Really thank you for all the support that we got from you on the media front. A big thank you also to all the participants who are going to be there for all the 3 days. Thank you for taking out time, and thank you for being here to learn whatever you can and then taking it back to your organizations. Thank you also to the team of NEURECA and Green Chemistry Foundation, who've been tirelessly working for almost a year now, especially in the last 2 to 3 months, to plan, to develop, create this entire event, and finally, especially in the last 1.5 months, execute it. So thank you for the team of Green Chemistry Foundation and NEURECA. Thank you for the work that you do. They just wanted to let you know that they actually take care of their responsibilities in the organization and then take out 25–30% of the time on a daily basis to contribute to this cause and make a difference. So really thank you for that. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank the event management guys as well as the hospitality partners. So it's everybody's generosity, the speakers, the exhibitors, the participants, the organizers and everyone. It's because without your generosity this would not have been possible. So really thank you for that. And we are actually present to the fact that all of you are highly accomplished and successful people, and you have a very senior decision-making role in your own organizations. So this 3 days time was not kind of just freely available to you. You took out time from that regular role and responsibility that you play in your organization and come over here to learn. Thank you for being open for that learning, and thank you for taking out time. We really respect your time, and we promise to do whatever we can in the next 3 days and beyond that to facilitate whatever we can do when it comes to your going back and implementation of these green chemistry technologies in your own organizations. One of the intentions that we have at this IGCW 2013 ecosystem is to create an ecosystem which would be, like a very fertile ground where collaborations and partnerships in the domain of green chemistry and sustainability could arise. And it is this endeavor for which we need your partnership. Your participation and the quality of participation in the next 3 days is going to decide how successful this event was. So it's our invitation and request to you that you participate fully. These speakers who have come and traveled all this distance, they've come for you and me. So we take maximum use of them. I have interacted with all of them for the last, anywhere between 3 to 5 years continuously. And I know that they are very, very accessible people, very generous, very big-hearted. They would not, everything that they are here, whatever they have, like knowledge and expertise, they are here to just share and give it out. So take full advantage of that. That is what we would request you. Also invite you to connect with new people and interact with new people, ask forwarding questions. And finally, the most important thing, take back some idea, concept or technology that you could go back and actually implement in your organization and make some real difference to the quality of air, water and soil. So with that, I just wanted to add a final thing. I personally, as well as our team at Green Chemistry Foundation, we are really proud to be a part of this green chemistry community. And we feel that it's our privilege that we have the opportunity to actually contribute and make some amount of difference to the field of green chemistry and sustainability. So thank you once again for your generosity. Thank you for being here. And I once again welcome you here. Thank you.